I know you are angry as I am going to.
Angry? I am very happy. Now it's Damini's turn.
Pick up your luggage and take your Lord Krishna with you. And come with me.
But why?
But Mohan, Radha is leaving today.
What do you mean by that? Where? Why?
She's missing her father and her grandma a lot. She's been living here for a long time now.
Oh, that's not a problem. I will call her dad and grandma here.
That Radha came here as a guest, but will stick with us like family.
I am just warning you that this two-footed witch Radha, you better put a leash on her. Otherwise, she can spoil your future.
We can get married privately, then why to invite guests?
If this is the only way to lessen his pain, if this is the only way to bring back his happiness, then sister, I will remove that photo. I will remove it.
Thank you, Radha. Thank you so much.
Sister Damini, I will go and remove it. I have to lessen the pain. I'll be back.
What did you say, Radha? That you know Mohan? Today you will realize how much you actually know him. And how much you're yet to know about him.
Greetings, Tulsi. I hope you are well wherever you are.
How did you leave Mohan and Gungun today and come to talk to me?
I am Radha. You do not know me.
I know you very well, Radha. After so long, it is you who has come like a ray of hope in this house.
You can consider me a devotee of Mohan. He has done me many favors. He gave me happiness in times of sadness and courage in times of fear, and he was like a light in my dark life. But currently, his happiness has been taken away, Tulsi. After your death, he lost all his happiness. And your photo reminds him of you even today. If I don't remove this photo, then Mohan will never be able to forget you. He will not be able to move on.
So this is Damini's new trick. Radha, she's trying to manipulate you. Why don't you understand it? She's using you.
Mohan is getting married again to Sister Damini.
I won't let that marriage happen.
For their marital bliss, it is important that Mohan moves on in his life. That he accepts Sister Damini as his wife. Please forgive me, Tulsi. I am feeling really bad about removing your photo. But what do I do? Please tell me. This is important for Mohan, Tulsi.
Radha, don't remove that photo. Unknowingly, you will help Damini benefit and I will incur a big loss. Please, Radha, don't remove that photo. Look, Radha, I cannot hurt you, but I cannot let you take down the photo either. Please stop, Radha. Listen to me. Radha, the photo holds a secret. I cannot let you take down the photo.
Please forgive me.
Radha, stop. Please, Radha, stop. Radha. Please forgive me, Radha.
Radha! What are you doing?
Mohan, I was removing Tulsi's photo.
Who told you?
Sister Damini told me.
What?
Mohan. This Radha is just crazy. She gets so worried about me. She cares so much about me. That's why she was removing the photo. She was saying that when we were talking about the wedding cards, Tulsi's name popped up. Then why not slowly remove Tulsi from your life? Just like this photo.
We had discussed. This photo will not go anywhere.
Even when Mohan asked her not to do it, Damini told me to remove the photo.
Yes, Mohan, but Radha is unaware of this, right?
She's naive and does not understand that I am marrying not only you.
But also your memories of Tulsi.
Look, Radha, how she put the entire blame on you. At least now realize her true intentions.
I had already told you that I want to keep the photo here so that I can remember what type of marriage I don't want. Anyway, I promise you that when we get married, I will remove the photo myself.
I will not let this marriage happen. Nor will this photo leave this room.
The photo is alright, Mohan. But what about Tulsi's bridal dress? What about Tulsi's belongings that are still in your wardrobe? Anyway, I don't have a problem. But Radha was saying that keeping the dead wife's bridal dress is like a curse on the second marriage.
Mohan, Damini is going on lying to you.
Radha? Why were you removing my mom's photo? This is my mom's home. All of my mom's belongings will stay here.
Gungun? You must not interrupt when elders are talking.
Don't touch me.
Mohan, what are you doing? Mohan, will you tell me what you're doing?
I am ending Tulsi's chapter. Neither will her belongings be here, nor her memories.
Mohan. Mohan,
Sister
listen.
Damini, I need to speak urgently with you.
Not now, Radha. Mohan, where are you going? Mohan!
Mohan?
Mohan!
Mohan?
Mohan?
Mohan!
What's the new drama?
Mohan?
What are you doing?
This. What is all this? Say something, Mohan.
I'm burning stuff.
What?
I am burning Tulsi's things. I am burning all of Tulsi's stuff that's with me, finishing forever. I will burn everything.
But my dear Mohan, what is the need to burn the jewellery? This my daughter Damini can also use, right? Now, gold jewellery does not know whether it is getting into new bride or the old one.
Mohan, please don't do this. Tulsi's soul will be hurt, Mohan.
Mohan.
You are priest's daughter, right? Then tell me, why do we burn the body when someone dies?
That burning the body counts as the final rites. It is said that the soul can attain peace after that.
Mohan?
Where is he going?
Will someone tell me what is happening?
No, no, Mohan, don't do this. What are you doing?
Why are you digging here, Mohan?
If peace can be attained by burning, then I won't let Tulsi attain final peace. I will will not burn her belongings. Instead, I will bury it here so that she can be trapped here and her soul won't get the final piece. She will suffer like I am suffering.
This means the jewelry is really safe. It was about 150 to 200 grams of gold.
Ketki, did you see? Today he wanted to light up the clothes. His dramatics will never stop. There is something new every day. Well, let's leave. It's just a waste of
Let's
time.
go.
Mohan is a bad man, and so are you, Radha. And I never want to listen to you.
Good. Did you see, Tulsi? I easily got your stuff thrown out of this house. Soon I will get you expelled from this house. Radha is just completely crazy. She worries a lot about me. She cares a lot about me. That is why she was removing the photo. Radha is just crazy. She worries a lot about me.
Why did you lie, Sister Damini? Why did you lie to Mohan that I wanted to remove the photo?
My dear, if this witch goes and tells Mohan all the truth, then Mohan will wreak havoc in your life. We will have to confuse her. I'm telling you. Go. I'm sorry, Radha, that I lied to you. What else could I have done?
I'm going to get married to Mohan. But still I feel that Mohan belongs to Tulsi. He claims to hate her, but he keeps thinking about her. Had I told him, he would have never gotten rid of Tulsi's stuff and her photo. Don't you know what happened when I showed him the wedding invite? Mohan, which design do you like?
What is all this? What is the need to make it so glamorous, Tulsi?
Mohan, address me as Tulsi.
Radha, don't believe her. She's lying to you once again. She's trying to manipulate you.
Tell me, Radha, how will a woman feel if there is a photo of some other woman in her fiancé's room?
Tulsi is not some other woman. She was Mohan's first wife.
Radha, the respect you've shown me after I passed away. These two didn't give me that even when I was alive.
And I always teach Gungun to speak the truth. Then how can I lie, Sister Damini? This is wrong. I can't lie.
You are right. I am wrong. I am wrong for loving Mohan. After Tulsi's death, I took care of him and his business as well. I tried to save him from all the problems. And this wedding was Kadambari mom's idea. I was happy with my one-sided love for Mohan. But you are right. I am wrong. I will go and tell the truth to Mohan right now.
Damini! Have you gone mad? Stop being epitome of truth. You know how Mohan is, my dear. If he knows the truth, then he will break this engagement in no time. My dear, if this engagement breaks off again, then Mohan's life will get scattered in pieces. You're the only one who can bring light back to his life. Now, Radha is a different case. No matter whatever she does, Mohan will not scold her ever again. Actually, she's a little special now. Now you only see. Gungun had put mushrooms in the pasta, but it was not your fault. But still, within no time, Mohan broke up with you, dear.
But Mom, it is my fault this time. Relationships don't last on a foundation of lies. Then let Mohan break up with me.
My child, at least think about Mohan, my dear.
Please, Radha, don't fall into the trap.
Stop, Sister Damini. You will not tell Mohan anything.
But Radha, what I did was wrong.
Yes, you did wrong. But if a wrong is done for the right reason, then even Lord Krishna forgives it. can understand, sister. How difficult it must be for you to live here with Tulsi's memory. Grandma is absolutely right. I think it's only you who can bring back the sunshine in Mohan's life.
Yes, my dear.
No, Radha. Damini will not bring sunshine in Mohan's life, but she will bring only sorrow. Please don't fall into that trap.
Thank you, Radha. You really understand me like a sister.
You wanted this, right? You wanted to become Mohan and Damini's friend. That is why you did all this. This is why you removed my mom's stuff from her room, right?
No, Gungun, it is not like that.
I thought you were on my side. But you are just like them.
No, Gungun, I'm on your side. I'm your friend.
An enemy, not a friend. I don't like those who do not like my mom.
No, Gungun, please listen to me. It is not like that. Gungun, she's upset. Just see.
Just see that girl's audacity. She was preaching to me. She was asking me questions. I have had enough, Mom. She needs to be punished for questioning me. Using the divide between Gungun and Radha, we need to teach Radha a lesson, Mom.
Gungun, you misunderstood me. Talk to me. Hey, I'm your friend. Why will I hate your mother, Gungun? Gungun, listen to me. Gungun, please listen to me once. Please listen to me. What I have to say, Gungun, you misunderstood me. It's not like that. I'm not lying. I really like your mother. Gungun, please listen to me. Don't be upset with me like that.
Gungun, please listen to what Radha has to say.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Gungun, please listen to me.
Mohan has saved her again. Again he'll carry her in his arms?
Get up. Are you okay? Are you hurt or what?
I have hurt my hand a bit. That's all.
But are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Watch where you go, or you would have rolled down the stairs like anything. Did you understand? Bumping? Let's go down and see where you are hurt.
Oh, okay.
At least she is walking down. At least he did not carry her in his arms. Huh?
You are not hurt, right?
No, Mohan, I'm not
Is it
hurt.
paining?
Not at all.
Hey, you fell down the stairs. You must be hurt.
No, I'm not.
Lucky you are. You are not hurt. What is it? You are not hurt, right?
No, I'm not hurt.
Then why are you shouting?
It hurts now.
Who shouted?
Who else?
What is it?
I got hurt.
She
a
fell down the
bit.
stairs. Let me see your hand.
It hurts just a bit.
Your hand looks swollen like anything. Let me see it. This is swollen, so I guess it is sprained too.
No,
Look, it's here.
No, Mom.
Are you crazy or what?
It hurts.
Why are you yelling? Hey, Dulari, bring the first aid box.
Okay.
But how did you fall, Radha?
Gungun has pushed her.
I'll again get scolded by everyone today.
No. Gungun didn't push me. Actually, I slipped and fell, so Gungun did nothing.
You are lying, right? To save Gungun.
I don't lie. I really did fall.
You have been treated very badly. You keep falling for real. The other day you fell into the car's boot. Today you fall down the stairs. Sometimes you fall while standing. I will have to bring a doctor into the house for you. He will stay at home 24/7 and save you from falling. He will hold you.
Come on, apply the ointment. Come on, Dulari.
Do one thing. Apply the ointment and bandage it up later.
Okay.
If she speaks too much, bandage her mouth too.
Radha, you should watch out, dear. You survived a huge accident today. Who falls down while walking like this? Apply the ointment.
Yes. Gungun?
Gungun went too far today. But you didn't say anything. You saved her instead. Take care of yourself. I thought that Radha's skull would crack today. I don't know from where Mohan came to save her. What does Mohan see in that Radha? Why does he treat her so nicely?
That's it. Now they both have started talking and cracking jokes too. She has already made our Mohan her English teacher. And on top of that, she keeps calling my Kaddu constantly Auntie, Auntie, and he's taking her for a sweet ride. And my brother-in-law, he was always a best friend of her father. Rahul and Ketki have got nothing to do with her at all. And to speak about her son-in-law, she has been calling him chill brother, and won his approval. One by one, she has won everyone's heart and she has turned everyone towards her side.
Gungun is the only one left now. You just wait and see. I used Radha to get close to Gungun. Now I will use Gungun to throw Radha out of the house.
My dear, this is what you should do. If Mohan can break relation with you because of that Gungun, then what is that witch going to do?
Must I do my job or serve you? Earlier, you used to be with me. Now the lady has been given a new room.
Take it
You'll
easy.
get the whole house later.
That won't happen.
Can you sit straight?
She can't sit straight. She's a witchy woman. And she shapeshifts every night. She doesn't mind the wound, but can't stand the medicine. Why are you smiling? And you want to watch the whole show? Stop smiling or I will break your jaw. You are laughing a lot. Hold out your hands. Hold out your hands.
Why are you doing this? I can do this.
Hold out your hands or I will wrap your hands. Just like that. Very good. Look here. You've got a lump here.
Well, it's here.
Right there
Yes,
too.
yes. It's there.
Is this okay?
Take it easy, Mohan.
I'm taking it easy. You have survived today. This wound saved you or else I would have scolded you today.
Why?
What do you mean why? What you did in my room to Tulsi's photo? Since you are hurt, I have postponed scolding you.
Post.
Postponed.
What do you mean?
I mean, I will scold you later. Do you get that now?
Yes.
Yes.
Hail Banke Bihari. My wound has saved me today. Please apply it.
Doesn't it hurt?
No, it doesn't.
Really? On this
yes,
side?
a little bit.
It hurts, right? That means the wound is okay. Not scolding.
What else? Being
Hmm.
wounded is better than being scolded. You go from being Mohan to Mahadev in a flash. If your third eye opens in anger, then you will burn me, Mahadev. I mean Mohan.
So the
Yes.
wound is better than my scolding?
No.
Then?
The wound.
Oh, the wound
Yes,
is it?
the wound.
Now give me your hand. I haven't finished yet. But put this in gradually, okay? Gradually. And after that, put the thumb out through here.
Yes. Lord Krishna.
Careful. I have to say, you are one of a kind, unique.
Thank you.
When someone says that, don't thank him for it.
My dear, Mohan is a teacher and her doctor. What if he becomes her husband too? Do something.
Radha, you asked me to get something, I've got it.
What are you saying? Really? Just show me.
Have it.
Brother, thank you so much. I'll be back later, Mohan.
Oh, doesn't seem like she hurt her arm. What was in that packet?
I don't know.
Didn't you get it?
It was packed, so I gave it the way it was.
You look nice now, Miss Tulsi. Actually, the previous photo was broken and we could not see your face. But it can be seen now. You look lovely. I will be back. Gun. I wasn't doing anything. I was just keeping your mother's photo. from your room, okay? Gungun?
Gungun?
Gungun? Gungun? Gungun? Gungun, listen to me. Gungun?
Oh, Gungun? Why are you going somewhere with Radha's stuff?
Gungun? Gungun? Gungun, listen to me. Gungun? Gungun, wait. Gungun? Gungun? Wait, Gungun.
Here we go. The drama begins for the day. Should I order some popcorn?
Rahul,
Gungun! Gungun, where are you taking Radha's bag?
Wait, Gungun.
Gungun, what are you doing, dear?
I'll go and check. Gungun!
You see, Mom, I didn't do anything and Gungun is throwing Radha out. Nice, Gungun. Finally, she's useful.
Gungun.
If you had asked for gold coins also today, then also God would have given them to you, dear.
For me, Radha leaving this house is as good as getting gold.
Gungun, you can't throw Radha out of the house.
What are they talking about?
You think I'm a bad girl? So I will always do bad things, right? Radha? You are scared of staying alone, right? From today, you can stay in my room.
My son Mohan is very lucky that he is going to marry a woman like you to be his wife.
You can observe as many fasts as you want, Damini. But Mohan can never be yours.
No one can come between Mohan and me. Whether that person is alive or dead.
Remember, Damini, this fast must be observed by you at any cost. Even if you die, don't let this fast break. Don't worry, Mom. I'll complete my fast this year. But I'm concerned whether your future daughter-in-law can complete this fast or not.
Life plan is more important than diet plan. And Mohan is my life plan.
Best wishes on Haryali Teej, Mohan. Do you hate me so much that you are fasting even after my death?
I will not blow the opportunity to get rid of this Tulsi. I will succeed at any cost. I have to find that girl.